Hi, I'm Orlando Pita, and wavy hair is everywhere. I want to share with you today the techniques and the steps that I use to get there. So, enough of this chit chat, let's get started. First, let's start by sectioning the hair. Now the important thing here is that each section should feel like it's the same thickness. With an off-center part, I start making pie sections and start spraying my Body Breakthrough Volume Spray on each side of each section, like so. Brush through each section before curling. Wrap each section around a 1.5-inch barrel curling iron, starting just above the ear line. After the curl is set, remove your iron and start on the S-wave by holding the iron over the hair strand and then under in an S pattern until you reach the ends of your hair. Waving your hair this way creates volume around the face and beachy waves for the rest of your hair. Then after your hair cools, brush it all out. And voila, there goes that beachy hair with gorgeous volume and texture. Honestly, this is one of my favorite textures. I love when hair has that effortless, natural beach wave thing going on. Until next time, take care.